Hey guys, Scotty Laughland here, professional mountain biker and Squire Locks ambassador. I have come to the headquarters to learn a little bit more about the world's toughest locks and see how the locks that I trust locking my bikes up with are made. Let's go! Today's been super interesting. It's incredible to see the process of a lock actually being made. All the little steps, the finite details that go into making it, from seeing it as just like a block of steel all the way to putting those tiny springs in. The dexterity and the concentration that I needed to do that was just incredible. To then actually going through the tensile testing and seeing how strong those locks are. I think it eventually broke at 18.5 ton, which is just crazy. To then being treated and having my logo onto a Squire D16 Max, that was just really cool to see, and you know, a unique thing to receive as well. It's been super interesting for me to meet some of the staff on the ground, hear stories. Some of them worked here for 40 plus years. Squire as a company have been making locks since 1780, and the amount of expertise that is here is just incredible. I've come away today with a wealth of knowledge, and I've been taking using a lock for granted. It's something seriously cool that has a lot of, quite simple but amazing technology within.